Okay, I think I'm live again. I hope my YouTube stuff is working now. It looks like it. So I think YouTube just got a new update or something. I think I'm live on Twitch. Oh, okay. Then I think everything works. Let me just get here. Just a quick community post for Discord. Here. Post the link behind it and let's go. Okay, so I'm live everywhere and then let's go. So I have my health bar so far set up. Here the image, I want to change the rendering of it. I think for that I'll have to import my assets here. I do already have the 2D Unity register. I don't know, I have to install the 2D package. Oh no. I think I just need the sprite editor. Yeah, 2D sprite I have to install. Oh, I already have that installed. Okay, this was unnecessary. We can just go ahead and move those files from GitHub. Should be good. You know, I don't want a project filled with all this stuff. Get this out of here. I could have also just watched if everything is set up. Oh, you don't have a sound? Oh, yo, what's up, Octoblitz? You don't have a sound? Okay, yeah, of course I can show you a version here. You just take a look at here. Yeah, I can care about this later. You have sounds now for the desktop audio. Let me just check if I have any. You know, for me I have audio in my stream. Okay, then I'll just show you the game. Yeah, 6 more followers. Okay, nice. Oh, but where do I have the file? Offline here. Okay, so I can host a game. Oh, I can't host a game here. I first of all have to disable the player child here. Else it shall just drop through the floor. I have to set up, start the game here. Have this game in a separate window opened here. I exported it. This is a kind of a other PC. You can see it like that. I can host the game, make my PC as a server, and on the other screen I can just press join. And now if I click ready here, it goes ready here, and if I click ready here, the map starts. But as you can see, I have a bug. I don't know why that's it. That's there now. You have to clear the player prefs. But yeah, let's just export it. Maybe I've changed some big stuff in the background. But usually this should have worked. At least it worked for me the past few hours where I worked on the game. Okay, so start this here again, start this window, post the lobby, join the lobby. Okay, I don't get this. Why is there only one character here? Okay, that's a very good theme of my game here. I think this has to do with my spawning script. But I actually don't know. Scripts. Just give me a second, I'll fix this. Hopefully real fast. Field spawner. I played around with this a bit. The player interactions, there should be at some point wait, the update. One, this is when the new map starts, and this should be 0. Makes your field that's clear, and then that's it. Usually it should do this twice. For every field placed, but apparently it doesn't. Right, what happens if I just copy this, paste it in. That. And then instead of this, we call it here checks dot opposite player. Do the same for the opposite player. And then the other player should also have a field. But why this happened, I don't know. I think I can also do this in the another function, not in the update for each player. Put this just in the start. But I can take a look at this in a second. I just want to show you the version, how everything's going now. I actually have Steam support now, so you can go on Steam, and if I have a friend who wants to play with me on Steam, just has to add it first as a non-Steam game. No, it doesn't work. And usually it should have also printed here new game because I don't have account here. Let me just debug this. So you'll get this, and usually this should return how many fields it already saved, and depending on that it spawns the player in. For some reason it's not spawning the enemy in another field for you and your friend. Host join. Okay, now this. Man, why? Come on. This whole thing again. Field spawned. Okay, then let's just get component field data and switch capture state to this player tag. So it does this locally for once, and here it does it again, but for the opposite player. Also, so it takes a while to send this command out to everyone. But a few seconds or an hour ago or something, this still worked for me, so I don't know what's the problem. Okay, this fixed the problem, but it's not the best way. So I don't know if you're still in the stream. Looks like it. And now I can just move around, play here. I think I already showed you how this works, or you can just tell me if you need an explanation for what this is again. You can attack here the field, and then usually the other player should be red, but it's also isn't working right now, and I also don't know why. So you can just slide around here. You don't no longer stick to the objects if you go against them. I just fixed this with a simple physics material that I gave to them and made all the friction to 0 and bounciness also to 0. You can shoot this other player. His health goes down here to 2. Again and again. And then you can capture this field from him or play the enemy, I think. Yeah, and now if this enemy here, yeah, that's, I have to add this to my to-do list that I have a bug here for the colors changing. And same thing goes for the enemy. If he wins this here, he also gets here. Not he also gets he has the thing then there captured. And yeah, did I forget anything? I don't think I added too much stuff here. The past days were mostly just some bug fixing and just not too important stuff, nothing too interesting to stream, so I thought, yeah, okay, then I can just listen to some chill music and program here a bit of boring stuff. But let me just take notes here for the bugs. Yeah, what's up, Finlayer? Yeah, I did wanted to here stream with the cam, or first of all because my room is completely messy and I just want to lie on my chair and don't want to sit straight in my chair so I can show it with my cam. So maybe in the next days I'll stream. But for now I just want to chill out a bit and program on my game. I bought here Star Citizen. Maybe you know this game or heard of it before. Like 2 days ago. And I realized after I downloaded it and paid $53 for it, or 53 euros, that my graphics card is too trashy for this game. I need to have DirectX 11.1 supported on my graphics card so that I can at least play it. But my graphic card only supports DirectX up to 11.0, and so that's a problem. But have you played the game? Well, it's a nice game. Yeah, I wanted to. Saw some good videos over the past few months of it, from some cool missions, cool racing compilations and shit, and just wanted to do the same thing that I saw in those videos. And no, my graphics card is too trashy. But even if my graphics card would have supported it, I don't think it would have worked or run at a smooth frame rate. Probably like 20 FPS, and I don't think at this frame rate the game would have made too much fun. And then I also had to crack down the graphic settings way too much until the game itself wouldn't even look as good. But yeah, have you played the game or have you just seen it from a friend or so? Anyways, let's here get back to the player script. Yeah, the starter pack costs see, what was it, 53 euros originally, 45 euros, but with taxes, taxes, Steuern, it was 53, so yeah. No, I haven't started with my presentation here for the companies. Yeah. Okay, nice. Yeah, I probably won't play Ark or Diablo 4. I'm just sad that here Star Citizen didn't work for me, and I wanted to get here my a job for my in my free time here, and all the companies said no, we don't look we're not looking for someone in this time where I have holidays. So yeah, I have to wait now 5 months until my I'm just calling it scholarship now starts, or apprenticeship. What? Not Arc? Oh, it's just Arc, but updated to Unreal Engine 5. Okay. So, do you have to pay? Is it like a remastered version? Or do you have to buy it from completely new? Oh, yeah, okay. 60 euros. Okay, I think there I would have just gone with the Steam Unlocked. 60 euros for a game you already have. Okay. Yeah, no, that's... But I mean, if it's a good game... Okay, they could have just called it Arc Remastered or something. Arc Ascanda. Ascanded. I don't know. Yeah, so we have the... Oh, I already have the rounded in here. It's good, though I don't have to do all the work. Can just put this in here. Oh, yeah, scale it a bit up so the corners are more rounded. Okay. About 250, like that. Think that's okay for the rounded here. But I want to change this anyways to horizontal. To this. Okay, now I have a light problem here. Okay, now I have this sliced. Oh, okay, the DLCs are free, okay. Yeah. I don't know. Are they all the maps that you showed me when I was at your house, or are this just a few DLCs? Aren't you at home? Or oh no, you're not at home. Right. You're somewhere in Sweden, I think you said. I think 5 and 50, I think. I have to make a rounded thing here. Just for this. Let's call this health. Put it on this thing here. Call it filled. I don't think I have to change the sprite editor. Show something like that. 5, 5, 5. Apply. Get back to this thing here. Put the health on that thing. Oh, come on! Can I put both on this or something? Tiled. Yeah, Finn, you can just go on YouTube and see it from there. I think that you can change the graphic settings. Yo, what's up, Pixel Test? How are you doing? How was the ride? I don't think I can put the default material on here. Like box or something. Come on. Something like this. Oh yeah, this changed it. No, this, I call it spirit, like that. It's all broken. Oh, come on. Okay, bye, Palea. You. So for some reason, call it vertical. Do I have to make now a custom sprite for this? Okay, maybe put another image on this. No, I can't. Just simply put nothing on this. Okay, then this won't work. Is there a solution for it? Unity. Right, rounded corners plus tiled. Something like this. Yeah. Then let's just get into Paint or something. Yeah, Paint 3D. That's the shop game. No. Oh, God. You see this? Paint 3D is completely broken. It's the fastest thing that I can use now. Let's make it 500 pixels wide and 20 pixels, 40 pixels like that. Let's color everything red. That. No, we'll take it white and we can save from there on. Image. Let's go into the programming, Unity, game files, Hexapol War, assets, and call it health. Yes, I want to replace it. Then in the assets here, search for health. Oh, I have to convert it to a sprite first. Oh no, I don't. Why can't I drag and drop it into the scene? Oh, now I can. It was just buggy. And now if I put this in vertically, here, horizontal, then with this slider we can set the stage of the health. So if it's full, we have here full, 50% it's here, and here it is on 0. So go in the health control, in health grip. I can drop it to the front here. And we have the text bar here. Image. Let's get the image here. But, the health bar, the text isn't set in here. Where did I set it? Health is always set to status string. Okay, then it's in here. Then the function void set health update health, and this function will get the health. Oh, now I have to do some lerping. Get some debug. Log f dot lerp equals 0, comma 1, and here we want to put the health in, and usually this should return a value between 0 and 1. Let's try this out. This isn't working because I forgot to disable the player here. Oh, and I have to call this function in here, the health control. Wait, health. Call this function here, and in the health menu we have to set the canvas health bar, and want to put the health in this here, even though for now we don't even need that. But it's not bad if we already drag it in there. Could just host the game, join the game, then just mess around a bit with the player's health. So we have here set 1, and now if I take the player and like a 2, okay, no, this doesn't work. I think I already had a health grid for this. I just look it up, then I don't have to do everything from the start here. I made myself a preset for the health bar once, and here health bar. Now this is well, then let me just search for a project file there where I have the health script implemented. Game files. No, this I don't have it. Wider assets, scripts. Just search for health. health bar. Okay, we have the script right here. Then we can just reuse my previous script here or function. It's a bit of time ago that I last worked with LERP, but in the future I definitely want to. I have some relatively big plans for this game here, and I probably have to use it there. Okay, so we take that. So the max size. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, I already understand what I did. I first of all put here a 0, and then health start health, and put this in just copy this and paste this in here. This should be between 0 and 1. This and here inverse lerp with the start health, and here comes the health into play, and this should return a value between 0 and 1 depending on which the health is currently standing. Which the health curve standing on which the, if it's a 3 then it is 100%, and if it's scale was 10, if it's 10, if you have a health of 10 it will be 100%, and if you have a health of 5 you will have 5%, and if you have 0 50%, and if you have 0 health bars left, 0 health, you will also have 0% in the slider. I'll show it to you in a second. First of all, I have to go in the health bar dot what the name of it? Tiles. It's called filler mount, right? Filler mount equals health here, and I think this should be it. 40-minute stream, and 20 minutes of that were a stupid bug that I had earlier. Yeah. Then I have a few more bugs here on my list, or things that could make for an interesting stream where you can see at least something. Yeah. So now we should be able to go here, build the game, and see what happens. I also don't know how long I will stream today. I think I'll just fix a few things until I get a bit stuck or get a bit oh, I forgot the word. If I'm a bit tired and want to go to bed, then I stop streaming. And then I think, right. Oh, ho, ho. Look at this. Let's go. Woo! And there's our health bar. But I do think the health bar is a bit too big. And yeah, let's just fix that. Wait, can I just here go on the health and player the can within health bar and just shrink it down a bit more there. But 0.7. 0.7, something like this. And put this up to a 4. Let's just copy this component, just paste it onto this, and then we should have working health bar. Now if I export it again and start my game again, we have a working health bar. But I don't think is anybody even watching the stream. I don't know, I'll still stream. Oh, double clicked. Here, start it. Already here, host the lobby. Ready up here and ready up. So starting the game. And now the health bar is a bit smaller. And you can see it. I think it's fine on how it's looking. And there we go. It's captured. Okay, this is a bit buggy. I can just also add it to my to-do list. Captured and minigames played seems a bit those two stats don't seem to work as good, so let's just edit this to my to-do list and we'll see what happens. So for now I just publish this to GitHub, edit health bar, just like that. I can check this from my to-do list. So and the next thing I have here on my list is the escape menu. Just think about the design there. We can just do something here and see what works. I'll just make a new game object and call it pause. And in here we want a couple of buttons. Just select here a button. We're in here. Oh, I am. So I have to delete this here and just call this pause. Did I write the German name or the English name? Pause. No, I think the German word and the English word they're the same. Okay, then our pause menu here. Just enable this. Select those two and delete them. You only need the post button. And we first of all call one quit. Go somewhere at the bottom here. Let's make this one red and the text white. Some bigger text, and here we can add a bit of graphics there, but it doesn't have to look good. Just something show there, and here I want a good color. This will be settings. Settings. Settings, and here is width. Like that. Up there. Let's to this at 300, so we have a reoccurring thing here. And this is the zoom. Zoom, and so we can recenter this to the middle. This just 200. This here minus 200. And so this is this menu that I want to show. Let's just get a quick background in here. Scale the image up like that. Something like that. It's okay for now. So now we can save this. Just GitHub real quick. Edit menu, pause menu, set up. And I don't think I have a general manager, but we can put this on here. What script? General, and this is the pause manager, and we have the pause manager in here. Pause manager public. We'll just put the update function here, and if input dot get key down key code dot escape, then we want to call a function public void open pause menu, open pause menu, just call this there. Then we want the public void close pause menu, and in this function I want to search for each player interactions, player in find objects objects. The different objects bind off. Come on with this. Find object of type. Just the actions and objects I want, and then I want to player dot enabled equals false. The same thing we can call in the close menu, and there we can set this to true again, because those menus detect if you press the left or right mouse key to move, and if you do that you don't want to get an error message or place maybe something while you're in the menu or so. And yeah, so we have this. Do we need public void quit? Oh, I know what I forgot. Application that quit, and then we also need a bool pause menu open equals false, and then if pause menu open pause menu open equals false, and else set it to true. So now we can just oh no, we actually have to function out of this. It's false, and call the close pause menu function, and then this right here. Open pause menu. So we have this. I want to just quickly change those up. First, you first of all close, or rather open the menu and then you close. Just from the setup looks a bit better. And I also want to make a public void wait, I can just pause menu open, this, and a close function. We can just call it false. Return to main menu. And or call it leave server like this, and then if this network behavior is if is host server okay, I can just stop host work manager dot stop Stop the host again. Network server dot shutdown. Oh no. Stop client. Network manager dot inst singleton dot stop host. What's that? Stop server. Stop the server from listening to. Stop. Okay, now we want to stop client. Stop. Okay, good. We want to just call those two, and then we want to call the scene manager and load the main menu scene management, and here's scene manager dot load scene main menu, like that. Hope this works, and we should be able to just drag and drop this on here. Manager, and now if we press resume, oh, I also forgot, so I have to the pause menu, public image checked, pause menu, that pause menu dot set active. I want to make it true like that, and here false. This should be it for now. Just drag and drop it in here. The quit button is linked to the manager, and there we have the quit, and the resume is just also the manager, and this is close pause menu. The settings will just be set to nothing, and now press here anything, press resume, let's close this. Wait, did I need the behavior like this? Oh, I don't actually need this. Okay, this is good. Then the manager will be active at all times with this component right here. Now I should be able to press escape, press resume here. Yes, that works. So if I just pause this right here, oh, I forgot I had another button that I wanted to add. This is the under settings, quit. I think I have to get a new arrangement in a second there too. Delete server. also in here, also just leave server. Leave server. That. And here we have this, and then we should have leave server right there. Okay, good. And let's go for another arrangement. This 100, this is minus 100, this is minus 300, this at plus 300 like that, 400, 300, and then we have a working, not good looking menu here. No. So I have to destroy the network manager. There was that pause menu right there. And then that destroy network manager singleton. Just destroy this object there so we don't have it. I don't think your message went through. I'm seeing it now. Wait. Oh yeah, no, I just didn't saw it for the past 2 minutes. Yeah, I didn't want to make a face cam now today because my my room is just a bit messy, and I just wanted to chill a bit in my chair today and don't have to sit straight up and look good. I just want to chill a bit in my chair, do some buttons here, play around a bit with them, and just chill a bit. But I think I'll do a facecam stream in the next 2 minutes, 2 minutes, right? In the coming days. I'll have to clean my room here, and then I'll probably do a facecam again. But yeah. Oh, for some reason, I know what the forum was. Like a game object, not just the component. Okay. So now, if I destroy, let's go. Play again. Okay, that's nice, that's nice. Menu. Let's remove this here real quick. And then, yeah, this should be it, I think. Let me just get this to the GitHub. Explain. So yeah, I think this today will be again a short stream because I want to end the stream here, and yeah, I probably stream in the coming days. Maybe not tomorrow, but on Monday, Tuesday. In the coming days I'll stream again. I'll see if I find anything interesting to do in the stream, which won't be just some bug fixing and some boring playing around with the player a bit, with no interesting stuff there happening. So yeah, then thanks for watching, turning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.